Hey everyone, my name is Vikram and I am going to give you a quick demo of my project Korox, which I am submitting for the Polkadot Hackathon submission. Korox is a cross-chain intent routing platform that finds the best optimized path for the transfer of assets across two parachains. Uh, Korox uses direct RPC URL calls to find the best path, including the congestion, gas fees, and traffic in the chain. So I am going to give you a quick demo of this project. So you have to select the source chain. Like I am here selecting the source chain. From where to where I have to transfer assets. Uh, I am sending from Monobase Alpha to Hydration, and suppose I have to send amount. You can enter the amount. I have to send 100. You can also select the strategy, like you have to want your transaction to be fastest. You have to be gas efficient, or it has to be balanced. So you can also select all one of three options. So I am selecting a balanced. So if I click here, it's finding the path. It's calling both the chains RPC URLs, and you can see that I have got two paths. One is you can go from monobeam to asset hub, then hydration, and one is direct monobeam to hydration. And you can here directly see the stats like time difference, gas difference, reliabilities, network status, everything. Let's take one more example. Let's move from aster to asset hub, and I want the path to be fastest. Let's scan again. uh, Yes, and here this time we got only one path, that is directly Aster to Asset Hub. So currently we have only four parachains. That's why the combinations are very less. But the target is to onboard as much parachains in the initial MVP version. And the main idea of this project was to reduce the gas fee. That the this project was built as the hackathon's main idea was to onboard as much Web2 users to Web3. And I think that the biggest hurdle in this journey of Web2 user is paying gas fees in every transaction. So if we can reduce that, we can onboard as much Web2 users to Web3. So this is Gorox is the first intent based route optimizing platform. And in the future versions, I am thinking to build a parachain of Korox that sits between the user and user wallet and user, and performs all the transactions on behalf of user with the best routing algorithm. So that was the quick demo. Thank you for your time.